In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 2x2 picture in WPS Office. This process is very useful when you need a properly sized photo for documents such as forms, IDs, or other official files. By the end of this video, you will be able to insert an image and adjust it accurately so it meets the standard 2x2 size requirement, all while keeping your document clean and well formatted. To get started, make sure your document is already open in the WPS desktop application. Once you're ready, move your cursor to the area where you want the picture to appear. From the top menu, click on the Insert tab. This section contains all the tools you need for adding different elements to your document. After clicking Insert, choose the Picture option, then select the choice that allows you to add an image from your device. A file window will appear, allowing you to browse through your folders. Take your time to locate the image you want to use. When you find the correct photo, click on it once to select it, then click Open. The image will immediately appear in your document. At this point, the picture may not yet be the correct size, and that is completely normal. The next steps will help you adjust it properly. Once the picture is selected, you will see the Picture Tools tab appear at the top of the screen. This tab gives you control over how the image looks and behaves. Inside this section, look for the sizing options. Before changing the dimensions, make sure the aspect ratio option is unchecked. This is important because leaving it enabled can prevent you from setting an exact 2x2 size. After disabling the aspect ratio, carefully set both the height and the width to 2 inches. As you adjust these values, you will notice the image resize instantly. This ensures that the picture meets the correct dimensions without guesswork. Take a moment to visually check the image and confirm that it fits well within the page layout and does not overlap other content. If needed, you can reposition the image by clicking and dragging it to the desired spot. This helps keep your document neat and organized, especially if the picture needs to align with text or other elements. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.